What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to solve some examples regarding multiplying a vector by a scalar. First example is saying that let v, or magnitude of v, equals to 600 kilometers per hour at a quadrant bearing of s60e. Draw a scale diagram illustrating each related vectors. Part A is going to be 2v, B is going to be 0.5v, and C is going to be negative 3v. So let's show each of them. So for example, if 600 S60E, this is south or S, and this one is E. So S60, it means that something like this. That's going to be V, vector V, and it is going south 60E. Now, part A, it says 2V. It means that the magnitude is going to be double, but it is going to be on the same direction. So it is going to be something like this vector, which is exactly on the same direction as original vector, but the magnitude is double. So that's going to be 2V. Next one is going to be 0.5v. Again, since this one is positive, it's going to be on the same direction, but since it's less than 1, it's going to be smaller in terms of magnitude. So it means that the magnitude of 0.5v equals to half of v. So it's going to be something like that, 0.5v. That's the answer to part B. Let's see the answer to part C. Answer to part C says negative 3v. So negative 3v, since it's negative, it's going to be on the other side of the vector, and it's going to be 3 times bigger than the original vector. So it is going to be something like that. So negative 3v. And this one is going to be 60. So that will be north 60 west. So these are going to be the answer to this question. Let's see the next example. Now in this example it says simplify each of the following algebraically. We have vector vu plus vector u. So the answer is going to be 2u because they are on the same direction. The magnitude here is 1 and 1, the coefficient, so that's going to be 2u. What about here? We have 2u minus 3v plus 2u plus v. So we have 2u here and 2u here. Both of them are positive, so that will be 4u. And we have negative 3v plus v. So negative 3 and plus 1 is going to be negative 2v. That's going to be the answer. Next one, we need to use distributive property. So let's distribute it first. It's going to be 3u minus 3v. Then we have negative 2u, negative 2v. So we have 3u minus 2u, that will be u. Negative 3v minus 2v is going to be negative 5v. That's going to be the answer. Next one, we have 3u plus 2v, negative 2v minus 2u. Why? Because we distributed minus 3v. So we have 3u minus 2u, that's going to be u. 2v minus 2v, they cancel out, and we have just negative 3v here. So it's going to be u minus 3v. Next one, again we need to distribute it. It's going to be negative times u, negative times negative, positive v, 4u plus minus, because 4 times negative, negative 8v. So 4u and negative u is going to be 3u, plus v and negative 8v is going to be negative 7v. Then we have 3u plus 3v minus 3u minus 3v. 3u and negative 3u is going to be 0. 3v minus 3v is going to be 0 as well. So the final answer is going to be just 0. Now in this example it says in hexagon ABCDEF, opposite sides are parallel and equal. And FC equals to 2 times AB. FC is this one, is 2 times AB. AB is U and FA is V. Now we need to find out all these things in here. So the first one is CF. So CF equals to, first of all, we can say FC equals to 2 times AB, and AB is U, so it's going to be 2U. So CF will be negative 2U. Next one is FB. FB is this one, which will be FA plus AB. FA plus AB. So we have V plus U. Next one is FD, which is going to be like this. And FD equals to FC plus CD. And CD is opposite to FA, but it is opposite direction, so it's going to be negative V. And FC, we had it already as 2U, so it's going to be 2U minus V. Next one is CA. CA is going to be CF plus FA. CF plus FA. FA is V. And CF is, we had it here, negative 2U. So it's going to be negative 2U plus V. Next one is going to be EB. EB is this one. So EB is going to be ED DF FB. So EB equals to ED plus DF plus FB. ED is U. DF is negative FD, which is going to be V minus 2U plus FB, which we have it here as well, V plus U. So that will be U and U is going to be 2U, with this cancel out, and we have 2V. And B is going to be opposite of EB, that will be negative 2V.